Alright folks, a little bit more flying of this foam profile airplane in our local park, and I'm going to put it to lower rates. I adjusted it, so it's high rate, low rate, because it's still a little windy, and let's see how it's going to do. It's going to do an underarm toss. I don't know if I put the bear in the correct spot, but and it's a little windy, but yeah, it's fighting the wind. Especially if you go up about 10 feet, the wind increases quite a bit. I've been trying to like hover it, but it's just going sideways, so. But it has some good authority. It's almost like staying in place because of the wind against wind. So I'm going to increase it to this has better authority, full throws, 100% throws. It's just gliding right now against the wind, the Prophet. So let's start it again. Well, this is going to be a great trainer for me to learn 3D. As I mentioned, I'm not a 3D pilot, RC pilot. I used to fly a lot of trainers, a lot of scale RC aircraft, like Cessnas and Warbirds, Trojans, but this is kind of new to me. I had 3D planes before, but more for indoors flying, because you can just basically hover them. Let's not lose orientation with this. I'm going to set it back to 60%, and I think it's time to land. Just come around, and then let's see if I can glide in actually. Oh, it was harder than I expected. I wanted to turn around but didn't have enough airspeed. The bear may have separated. It's still good, and this has been fixed many times, as you can tell, so this may have to be fixed a little bit. I think this area is separated a little bit from the previous CA. It looks like it has been fixed with CA glue. CA is very brittle. I prefer putting either hot glue, it makes it a little heavy, or Gorilla Glue is great because it goes into the crevices and it's more softer, more elastic, has some give, and instead of breaking, it just gives a little bit and doesn't become brittle. So yeah, this kind of separated. I could hear during the hard landing. The bear is quite heavy for this little guy. I may need to find something a little smaller, maybe 800 milliampere 3S for this, and that will give better. Anyway, I'm going to just fix this part, and I may end up also putting a little bit of bracing on both sides to make this structure a little stronger. Probably one of those popsicle sticks, or whatever you call it, the ice cream sticks, or tongue depressors on both sides. But it is serving its purpose. Good, I like it. Oh, look at that, the prop kind of bent sideways. So this has the prop saver type of adapter. So it's good. Alright folks, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.